Very pleasant morning, my dear students. I just welcome you all to the English class. Today, we are going to deal with a very important vocabulary topic. Okay, it's very important. Now, uh, students, anybody unmute and reply me whether the screen is visible and also am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, students. Now, the topic is British English and also American English. Okay, so far in your lower classes, you might study the British English words as well as American English words. So, you are familiar with the words. Okay, so still, since we are using English as a second language, and most probably we are following British English, but in our speaking or also in our writing, so we use some American English words also. So we have to know what are the British English words and also what are the American English words. Okay, so the American, okay, the speaker of American English, they use some words in a different way. Okay, that should be aware of. Okay, so that in this topic we are going to see British English as well as American English. First, here I have given a quote. It is said by George Bernard Shaw. Okay, G.B. Shaw. Okay, he is a famous writer. Okay, famous writer as well as he famous philosopher. He gave a quote. So, just any one of you read.
England
England
and
and
America
America.
are the two countries divided by a common language. George Bernard Shaw.
Okay, he is telling that England and America, okay, these are the two countries or nation, they are divided by a common language. Okay, English is a common language, it's a language, but for the use, okay, for the usage of these particular countries, okay, England and America, they are divided. Okay, so they are using English in a different way. Okay, like that GB. Okay, George Bernard Shaw is telling that. Okay, then next, so definitions. Okay, first we have to know what is American English and what is British English. Okay, now one of you read the first one. Okay, American English.
American English is a form of English used in the United States. It includes all English dialects used within the United States of America.
Okay, American English. Okay, so just look at the bracket. It is given the abbreviation. Okay, AME. Okay, we have to use abbreviation like this manner here. A capital, then M small letter, then E capital letter. Then it is the form of English used in the United States. Okay, United States means USA. That is America. It includes all English dialects used within the United States of America. So dialect means nothing but it's a local language, okay, and also the local vocabularies which are used in America that include in American English. Whereas British English is the form of British English used in the United Kingdom. United Kingdom means UK, that is England. So British English is nothing but okay, English language which is used in England. Okay, that is British English. It includes all English dialects used within the United Kingdom. Okay, so again. So what are the vocabularies or words which are used in England? Okay, the local words are included in British English. Okay. So, and one more interesting fact today, there are 375 million people speak English as their first language, while according to the population of the different countries, the American speakers are more than the British speakers. Okay, just look into that. Around 375 million people speak English, and also they have English as their first language. Okay, so see 375 million. But we are using English as a second language. Okay, here the information given us that 375 million people are using English as a first language. Well, according to the population of the different countries, the American English speakers are more than British English speakers. Okay, when comparing British English speakers and also American English speakers, who are more? American English speakers are more than the British English. Okay, so this is some information regarding what that American English and British English. Okay, now just one of you read.
British English and American English is
English
the
and
same
American
language.
English is the same language, but English speaking people is in the use of different spoken English because of the geographical, social, occupation, gender, national factors such as changes in the characteristics of a different language.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Now, British English and American English. Okay, so these two are nothing but these are same language. It is same language only, but English speaking people is in the use of different spoken English because of the geographical, social, occupation, gender, national factors such as changes in the characteristics of a different language. Okay, so actually English is a single language. Okay, it's a single language, but the way of living and also the geographical conditions are differ in England as well as in America. So the situation. So and also just see the geographical condition in the sense. So since if we take America, it is a cold region. Okay, cold region. So while they are speaking, they cannot open their mouth widely, okay, so that they just open their lips to speak. Okay, so their sound and also their accent or the pronunciation is differ when they speak. Okay, so the same language, but it differs the following various factors. Okay, so the geographical, the social, the occupation, gender, national factors, these things only determine the particular language in a different way. Okay, now just look into some example. Okay, so just see, I have given two flag. Okay, the first one is Britain, that is UK, and the second one is UK. No, USA. Okay, American flag. Okay, so let's see one by one some of the words. Okay, now what is this?
Pan.
Can anybody? Pants. Okay, actually, pants is the American English word, whereas British English we say it is trousers. Okay, trousers. So it is in American English words as pants. Okay. Then next, what is this? Anybody?
Sofa.
Sofa. Very good. Okay, so British English we use it is as sofa, but in American English it is coach. Okay, it is coach. Then next, what is this? Can you see in the picture? So a train is going, and also in if you go to Chennai, you can see the places like this. So can you guess what it is?
Railway station.
Okay, railway station, it's very good. But here it is underground. Okay, underground. Okay, so you may see some trains are going in a underground. Okay, underground. Underground, it is uh, in American English, it is subway. Okay, underground, which is in American English, they used as subway. Then, what is this? It's a wonderful house. Okay, this is flat. Okay, this is flat. Okay, then what is the American English word? Do you know? Flat. Apartment. Okay. Okay, apartment. Okay, so flat, apartment. Okay, let's see next one. Okay, what is this? Can anybody? Have you seen this?
Vacuum cleaner.
Okay, vacuum cleaner. Actually, vacuum cleaner is the American English word. Okay, vacuum cleaner is the American English word. Then the British English word is nothing but hover. Okay, hover is the British English word. Okay, so vacuum cleaner is American English term. Okay, next, what can you see in the picture?
Store.
Okay, it's a shop. Okay, it's a shop. Okay, lady is sitting and she is selling something. Okay, so shop is the British English word, and it is used in American English as store. Okay, shop is the British English word, whereas store is the American English word. Okay, what is this?
Dustbin.
Dustbin.
Okay, dustbin. Okay, dustbin. It is British English word. It is used in American English. The term as trash can. Okay, trash can. Then next one. What is this?
Van.
Van.
And look at carefully.
Truck.
Okay, lorry. Okay, lorry. It is
Lorry.
British English lorry, but American English they use as truck. Okay, they say it as truck. Then what is this?
Shopping mall.
Okay, very good. Okay, shopping mall is American English word. Okay, actually American English word only mall. Okay, or shopping mall, but British English we use shopping center. Okay, shopping center. Okay, in American English it is said to be mall. Then, okay, you see a man in the image. How he looks like?
Hungry.
Tension.
Tension, and also he is very angry. Okay, so angry is the British English word, whereas in American English, what is the term? So it is somewhat different. They are using it as mad. Okay, mad. Then here, can you guess what is the season?
Winter season.
No, there is no.
Spring season.
No.
Autumn.
In which season the leaves turn into that yellow color or brown color?
Autumn season.
Autumn season. Okay, in British English it is autumn, but American English they use as fall. Okay, fall season. Okay, autumn, fall. The next, okay, so this is we can so chemist. Okay, chemist. Who is called as chemist?
Medicine.
Okay, one who sell medicine. Okay, one who sell medicine. So he's called in American English term druggist. Okay, chemist, druggist.
Druggist.
Okay. Then what is this?
Lift.
Lift. Okay, lift is
Elevator. Elevator.
okay. American English word elevator. Then what is this? So it's used for children. Okay, it's nappy. Okay, nappy. It's nothing but it's a small cloth. Okay, so it is used in American English word diaper. Okay, nappy, diaper. The next one. What is this? So there is a road and also the roadside. What can you see in the picture? What?
Road.
When you walk, where we can walk when you walk along the road. So
Platform.
it's nothing. Pavement. Okay, pavement. So in American English, it is used as sidewalk. Okay, pavement, sidewalk. Okay, pavement, sidewalk. So what is this?
Cupboard.
Cupboard. Okay, cupboard is the British English word, but it is in American English closet. Okay, closet is American English word. Okay, what can you see in the picture?
Petrol bunk.
Okay, petrol station. So it is used in Americans gas station. Okay, gas station. The same manner, petrol is British English word as well as gas is American English word. Okay,
Garbage.
okay, garbage. Okay, garbage is British English term. Then, what is the American English term for garbage? Rubbish. Okay, rubbish is the British English term, and also American English we can use trash, and also garbage is also British English term. American English they used this as trash. Okay, that is also dustbin. Okay, dustbin and also garbage can. Okay, we can say that is in American English trash can. Then what is this?
Tap.
Okay, then it is used in American English faucet. Okay, faucet. Then this is cooker. Okay, cooker. British English term cooker, but American English term stove. Okay. Then what is this?
Car parking.
Okay, car parking area. Okay, car parking, or else we can say car park. It is in British English term, whereas American English they are telling this as parking lot. Okay, parking lot. Then what is this?
Chocolates.
Okay, chocolate in some other word.
Candy.
Okay, candies, it is American English word. Okay, candies, it is American English word, but in British English, sweet. Okay, sweet. Then what is this?
Biscuits.
Biscuit.
Okay, biscuit. Okay, biscuit. American English word, cookie. Then, okay, here
Beach.
the image of holiday. Okay, beach. Okay, actually it's holiday. So in British English, we say let's go on what? Let's go on holiday. But American English it is vacation. Okay, holiday is a English word, British English word, but vacation is American English term. Okay, now so far we have seen some of the example with pictures. Okay, now let's sum up. Okay, now one of you read.
Grammar. Americans use the present perfect tense less than speaker of British English, and a British teacher might mark wrong sometimes that American teachers would say are correct.
Okay, here this point, okay, I'm going to tell you, when you take grammar, okay, when you take grammar, okay, there is American grammar and also British grammar. So American use present perfect tense less than speakers of British English. Okay, so Americans often they use only past tense. Okay, whereas British English speakers use present perfect often. Okay, so and also one more thing I have given. So sometimes British teacher might mark wrong. Okay, that are right in American English. Okay, so just see the example. Okay, in US they are often used, did you do your homework yet? Okay, but here we are using, okay, British English, we ask like this, okay, have you done your homework yet? Okay, so and the next example, US, okay, that is American English, they are used, I already ate, I already ate, but British English they are using, I have already eaten. Okay, so just see two the two words, okay, that is yet and also already. Okay, so we studied in tenses, yet and already, these are the keywords of present perfect. Okay, so but see the Americans, okay, they are using in simple past tense. Okay, so that is the different grammatical usage in American and British English. Okay, then the next point, one of you read.
In British English, have got is often used for possessive sense of have, and have got to is informally used to have to. This is much less common in American English.
Okay. See, in British English, have got is often used for possessive sense, and have got to, informally used for have to. This is much less common in American English. Actually, have got. Okay, these term is used for or it is used to indicate possession. Okay, so it most commonly used in British English, whereas it is less common. But American English speakers they never use this term. Okay, just see the example. British English speakers they say, "I have got two sisters." Okay, I have got two sisters, but US I have two sisters. They are using this kind of expressions. Okay, I have two sisters, and also British English speakers says I have got to go now, but US speakers they use I have to go now. But in this context, we Indians, okay, we are using most probably this one. Okay, I have two sisters, and also I have to go now. Okay, these terms only we are using. Okay, so in our speech, okay, or in our speaking, we are using both British as well as American English. Okay. Now, next vocabulary. Okay, when we take words, okay, if you take words, there are a lot of examples of different words used in British and American English. Okay, so for example, just angry, it is British English term, but whereas American English word, it is mad. Okay, so there were so many difference of words. Okay, so and also I'm going to give some of the example. Any one of you read. Okay, one of you read. Just read.
Atom, fall, boot of a car, trunk, chemist, druggist, cupboard, closet, flat, apartment, lift, elevator, nappy, diaper, pavement, sidewalk, petrol, gas or gasoline, rubbish, trash, tap, falcon, trousers, pant.
Okay. This example we have seen. Okay, you know the meaning of these words. Okay, then let's move on spelling. Okay, when we take spelling, when British and also American, some spellings are also differs. Okay, just see. First, see, there are also a number of different spelling rules between British English and American English. Some words that end in T or E, okay, T or E, in British English end in TER. Okay, so in American English, okay, so just see, British people use TRE, okay, but American people use ER, okay. Just see example, theater, and the British people using TRE, okay, but US they are using TER, okay, and also center, okay, likewise center. And then second, some words that end in OUR, okay, OUR, it is in British English, but in American English they never use U there, okay, they just use OR, okay, just see example, color, labor, okay, color and labor, okay. Then third rule, some words are shorter in American English than in British English, okay. So some words are they are flipped, okay. So just see catalog in British English we are using catalog LOGUE, but in American English they are using only catalog LOG, okay. They cut short two letters, okay, U and E. And also same manner program, okay, program we are using in British English GRAMME, but in American English they cut short, okay, ME they cut down. The next one, okay, in this slide, so I have given some more example, okay, so just one of you read.
Apartment, flat, argument, row, carriage, coach, pram, bathroom, loo, can, tin, cookie, biscuit, diaper, nappy, elevator, lift, eraser, rubber, flashlight, torch, fries, chips, gas, petrol, gay, block or chap.
Okay, now very good here. So some of the words are new to you. Carriage and coach. Okay, so pram, you know. What do you mean by pram? Anybody? Pram, PRAM. So it is the yes.
Kind of insect.
No. Actually, pram is nothing but it's a perambulator. Okay, perambulated. Pram is the clipped word of perambulator. Perambulator means nothing but it's a baby sitter. Okay, baby sitter. So perambulator is a British English word, and also it is used in American as carriage or coach. And also loo. Okay, loo is British English word which means toilet. Okay, which means toilet. And also and one more word, okay, last one, okay, that is chap, okay. So this word comes in the uh, supplementary, first supplementary, okay, finest chap in the world, okay. So that is also guy or fellow. Then some more examples are there, one of you read.
Highway, motorway, hood, bonnet, jelly, jam, kerosene, paraffin, lawyer, solicitor, line, queue, mail, post, napkin, liberty, nothing, not, period, full stop, potato chips, grapes, truck, lorry, trunk, boat, vacation, holiday, windshield, windscreen, and license plate, number plate, parifer, dummy, parking lot, car park, paramist and chemist, sidewalk and payment, sewer,
Soccer,
football
soccer.
and trash can and bin.
Okay. That is soccer. It is in American term, and football is British term. So, students, while you are listening to these words, you have to take screenshot. So, and also you have to write these words in your classwork note. Okay. So, just see British English and American English words are so many. Okay. So, you have to go through many words. Okay. Then only you are capable to answer in the exam. Okay, so you have to read, and also you have to go through many words. Okay, so just you have to take down in your classwork note. The next, okay, here is also some British English as well as American English words are given. So these words are new to you, okay, because I hope you never come across these words. Okay, so be careful and also take screenshot. So just I request any one of you to read this word. Okay, so just see the first one is listen, caretaker. This is British English word, and also followed by janitor. This is American English word. This way, any one of you read.
British versus American English. Caretaker and janitor. Dear and expensive. Dot.
Droughts, checkers.
Fire department. Lass. Girl. Holiday. Vacation. Jumble sale. Yard sale. Kit. Uniform. Loo. Bathroom. Mum. Mom. Knots and crosses. Tic tac toe. Parcel. Package. Phone box. Phone booth. Plaster. Band head. Pitch. Field.
Okay, very good, Hariharan. Now, see here, many words are there. Okay, British English words are there, and also American English words are there. See, some of the words we are using British English words, and some American English words are also we are using. Then here I have given a list of words. Okay, just take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot and copy it down in your classwork notes. Okay, and this is also for your classwork writing. Just take the screenshot. So these are all important British and American English words. So children, please go through it and copy it down in your classwork note. And whenever you get time, you just read the particular words. What are the British English words and what are the American English words? Okay, in examination, they are asking these questions in MCQ format. Okay, that is choose the best answers. Okay, so when you read the words, okay, you are able to answer very correctly. Okay, then here, yes,
Sir, that before slide, sir.
yes, Sasi Kumar.
Show this before slide, sir.
Okay, have you
Thank you, sir.
taken? Okay.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Now, just this is just an activity. Okay, just an activity here. The first, I have given a paragraph. It is some message or some information. A speaker of British English has said. Okay, a speaker of British English, and next, the same message is translated into American English. Okay, American English. Children, now one of you read. Okay, one of you read the first one.
I was waiting in
British English.
traffic for the loo before getting some petrol for my lorry when I realized I left the hob on and the Hungarians were probably burning.
Okay,
American English. I
okay,
was
enough.
waiting in line.
Enough. Okay, now see the same message only. Okay, now in the first one, I was waiting in a queue. Okay, that is British English word. So, and also the same word which is in American English, we know line. Okay, so line, and also loo it is written as bathroom in American English, and likewise petrol it is in gas. Okay, likewise you just read. Okay, so now take a screenshot and also you have to read and underline the British English word as well as American English word. Okay, this is an activity for you. Now next one. So here is also another activity that a person, a boy, he is writing an email. Okay, he is composing an email to his friend. Okay, so first he is composing the email to British friend. Okay, British friend, then he is composing this manner. Okay, composing this manner. So we don't have much time, so just you have to take screenshot. Okay, then after that, okay, so when you get time in the evening, just you read. Okay, this email is composing for a British friend. Okay, the same message when you write, or when the person is writing to American English friend. Okay, American English friend, then the mail should be like this. Okay, okay, just here I have mentioned, or I have highlighted the different usage. Okay, the difference between British English usage as well as American English usage. Okay, you just go through, okay, and see the differences. Okay, see the differences. Okay, now here we are going to evaluate. Okay, so far we have discussed many of the words. Okay, now I am going to ask you some questions. Okay, so you have to answer. First one, trousers. Okay, what is the American English word?
Pant.
Pant.
Okay,
And
okay, let us see whether it is right or wrong. Okay, pants. Okay, you are right. Then so far, what is the American English word? Anybody?
Coach.
Coach. Okay, let's
Coach.
see. Okay, coach is the right answer. Then next one, underground. Okay, what is the American English word?
Subway.
Okay, let's see. Subway is the right answer. Then flat.
Apartment.
Okay, okay, you are right. Okay, apartment. Then hover. Anybody? So I have shown an image. So it is used to clean the
Vacuum
houses.
cleaner.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, you are right. Okay,
Vacuum
vacuum
cleaner.
cleaner. Okay. The next, atom.
fall.
Stove.
Okay, let's see. Okay, fall is the right answer. Then the last one, shop. Anybody?
Store.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, store. Okay, you are right. Okay, right answer. Okay, now we are going to see what is your homework today. Okay, here I have given homework as matching. Okay, so left hand side the British English term, and also right hand side American English term. One is done for you. Okay, atom, fall, it is done for you. Remaining you have to do. Okay, you have to do, match it. Okay, so and also this homework will be sent through parent app. Okay, parent app, you can write and also match it. Okay, so do you have any doubt in this area? If you have any doubt, you can ask now, or else, thank you students, you can leave the class now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.